time to explain some accessories. The first one to mention is going to be the membrane. This Everlast 2 membrane is a consumable that's easy to replace and has a long lifespan compared to other membranes on the market. Up next is the bottle spout and vat frame. The vat frame is made of aluminum and steel and designed with sustainability in mind. The bottle spout clips on the top and the membrane clips to the bottom. All three of these parts create the vat assembly. Hey friends, clip from the editor here. Noticed a couple things were missing and I want to share them with you. The first one being the resin bottle. This is the cartridge and it holds all of the resin that you're going to be using. The next thing is also pretty important and it's called the build plate. And this build plate is what the print
attaches to
while you're printing. Now, I figured this was pretty important to share and we can cut back to the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the tool roll, a mat you can use for post-processing and keeping your tools that come with XiP organized. This metal funnel is going to come in handy in case you ever need to filter resin or store your resin back in the resin bottle. The cleaning tool may look like a coffee tamper, but it's going to be imperative to keeping your resin vat clean. Here we've got a metal removal tool for removing your parts from the build plate. It's got some sharp corners though, so make sure not to gouge your build plate or possibly hurt your hand. These flush cutters will help remove supports from your finished parts, and they're designed to keep sanding to a minimum. Here we've got a plastic scraper to inspect the membrane. And lastly, we've got a couple size metal files to cut down on your sandpaper consumption. Keep in mind that wet sanding will cut down on airborne particles.